Okay, hello everybody. Today I'm gonna show you how do you have to make our recycling project. We decided to make a machine uh, which can refill your clip glosses. So now I'm gonna show you what you need. You need a bag, a box cutter, a straw, another plastic thing, lime, a glue gun, that, and 3 pieces. I colored them white. So yeah, then you also need 3 bottles, and 6 in total. And yeah, today I'm gonna show you how do you have to make it. And you're gonna start by taking your box cutter and cut this piece of your bottle like this. You know? Once that's finished, you can let it rest, and then we're gonna take this and you're gonna glue your thing with 3 holes in it, like you can see, like this, on the height you want it to, and then you're gonna glue this together, and then you have something like this. Once that's finished, you have this, and now you have this, and that you are going to take like this on the paper. And then we're gonna have to take this, the straw, and you're gonna have to warm the glue. Oh yeah, and today I'm gonna show how you have to make one machine, but in the machine itself there you can put 3 in, but that's gonna take too long to make. Okay, so once you're finished doing that, you have to have the glue like this, so you have a hole, and it has to be like this, so you can put this back on like this. And then you're gonna have to make 2 holes for the straw and this. If you're finished with cutting the holes, you have to have something like that. You better do something with the glue also, and then you can just put it back in, and then it's time for the next step. So now I filled it with some water just to show how it works, and then you're gonna have to place this in the machine, and that's what we're gonna do now. Then you have something that looks like this with this, and then we're gonna make the front like this, and then you're gonna put it up there. Once the front is finished and you can put the things in like this, you put on the back, and then the top, then you have the back, which therefore is the hole. You can refill it here. Here you have the tube, so you have something here, so the tubes stay in place. That was my part. I hope you learned something. It's quite easy to make. It's just a lot of work and a lot of perfectionism.
Hello everybody, my name is Lily. I'm sorry for my voice. I'm gonna try to speak loud enough to articulate the best I can so that you can understand me. Well, I'm gonna explain why we chose the topic of making reusable makeup. Well, me and my group mates are aware that the packaging of makeup um, is mostly made of plastic, and that's what we want to reduce. We want to reduce the waste of plastic made by the packaging of makeup products. Our goal is that people still could use makeup without having the big amount of plastic waste that's really destroying our planet. And that's why we made our machine with our own little brand, Gloss Your Lips, with 3 lip gloss shades. And yes, the goal is that you could have your own little lip gloss tube that you can refill, so that we don't have to waste every time those little tubes, that we don't have to throw them away, but that we can reuse them. In that way, we have less plastic waste. And with our machine, with that tool, we want to measure how much plastic waste we are able to reduce. I hope it was clear enough, and I'm gonna let my next group mates explain the rest.
So, the current situation. The girls in our class use 3 lip gloss a year. When they are emptied, they put the containers in the trash, which is a big problem. So we want to reduce that. So how much greenhouse gas does this activity emit? The global emission is 70 million kilograms CO2, and per unit it's 200 grams CO2.
Our project is to make a machine that dispenses lip gloss so that girls or boys can, instead of throwing away their plastic bottles every time they need a new one, they can just refill it, and so it stops the waste of plastic. We're gonna test this machine out on 10 girls from our class. If you do the calculations right, you'll see that we have 3 shades that we're going to do times 10, the 10 girls from our class, which equals 30, and from those 30 glasses we're going to save or recycle 20. From those calculations we can already know that we save at least 1.5 kilograms of plastic, and we're going to do that times the amount of carbon dioxide that we need to make these glasses. That amounts up to 4.5 kilograms of carbon dioxide that we save with this project. This project isn't just good for the climate, but it's also really helpful for girls. Instead of always buying new glasses, they can just refill it.